get all this unbagged, and then I'll try to see about clamping it on and see how it works. Okay, you got two options. I'm gonna use this one. Oh, this is going to work much better than the one I'm currently using. Oh, no. Okay. Loosen up these joints and see if I can get the kind of movement I want. Yeah, I can. Yeah. This is definitely nice. Trying to find the perfect rig for filming down like I'm doing here. But if you see the monstrosity I'm filming from, you'd understand why I need something else. Alright. Let me see if I can get this set up. So, I really like this upgrade compared to what I've been using. It's gonna allow me to be able to home in on things a lot better when I'm doing these review videos without so much difficulty. Like, man, it was hard for me to even see the top to do the adjustments on the camera, phone, or whatever. In this case, it is my phone, but I can get close-ups, soldering. Oh, this is definitely nice. I'm not using the holder for the phone. Obviously, you can see it in my hand. Reason being, I have a Z Fold and I need a really big one. And just so happens, the ball head for the one I have fits the ball head for this. Thank goodness some people finally make things kind of universal in this world. USB-C, thank you. Yeah, that's about it. This is a really decent product compared to stuff that I've been trying. And this is my fourth or third one. So if you want one that you can articulate, oh, and then it just popped out on me when I tried to lift it up because I wasn't pulling at the right area, but you can articulate it. And the fact that I was just talking about how that came out on me, like now it's out of the holder. I like that actually, because that means I can just lift it out of there and move it out of the way when I want to do something without unscrewing the whole bracket. So another good feature. Thank you.